Hi guys, today is another wonderful day and I'm going to solve one problem that so many beginners are facing in the bread bakery business. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. And now most people, when you start your bakery, your major challenge is how much should you sell per loaf, and what would be the weight, what should be the weight of dough that you should weigh and pan. So in this video we are going to solve that problem so that you know the proper way of pricing. Now this weight and the pricing, the weight and pricing in this video is different from those ones that are supplying to superstores and they have maybe a shop where they are selling direct to customers. This is for those that are distributing to so many retail stores in the state or in the nation or in that area. And so because in bread bakery business have two types of customers: those that buy from the superstore, that is the elite. They fix their own price, weigh their own quantity of dough, and decide their own market. But if you are distributing to the retail stores, the prices are there. You will know the price of sliced bread, you know the price of this, you know the price of that. So all the prices are like the same. And so what will be the quantity of dough and what will be the price? So today I'm providing a clear guide on how to go about it. If you are targeting the retail stores out there, so let's look at the format I provide here, and it will guide you. If you want to sell bread of 200 naira, then the weight of your dough should not be more than anything lower than between 80 to 130 grams. So it could be 100 grams, it could be 90 grams, it could be 110 grams, it could be 120, but it should not exceed 130. If it exceeds 130, you will not make profit. So if you also have a target market that people, sizes of bread that already the competitors are selling for 350, between 350 to 500, and you want to key into that market, you want to also sell loaves of 350 to 500, between 350 to 500, the weight of your dough should not be more than 200 to 250. It could be 220, 200, 220, 230, 240, but it should not be more than 250. Now this range is sliced bread. This is where sliced bread falls between 500 to 650 or between 700 to 800, depending on where you are supplying. And now you can see the price. If you weigh between 500 to 650, the price should be between 900 to 1000 naira. If you weigh your dough between 700 to 800 grams, the price should be between 1200 to 1500. If you're weighing 1 kg per dough, per pan, or between 1 kg to 1.3 kg, which is 1 kg 300 grams, then you should sell at least 1800 to 2000 naira at least. This is where the problem is, where most people are missing it. You just want your bread to be heavy. You just want your bread to be the best. You want your bread to be this. You have to be careful. Good bread is not all about overweight, very heavy. It should have that weight, moderate to weight. The taste should be good. The texture should be very good, moist and nice. That is bread. That is the quality. So it's not all about giving a very large quantity. Just make sure you follow these steps, and it will help you. It will help you to make profit. Because if you weigh 500 grams of dough and you are selling it at 500 naira, you will not make profit. I guarantee you there will be no profit. There's no way you weigh 200 grams of dough and sell it for 200 naira and make profit. There will be no profit. If you weigh 300 grams and sell it for 400 naira, you will not make profit because there are a lot of expenses. We're talking about nylon, diesel, we're talking about the cost of flour, the cost of sugar. There are a lot of expenses, the cost of distribution. And so if you weigh it like that, just because you want to impress people that your bread is very heavy, your bread is this, your bread is that, you will be working for free. You will not make any profit. And so it should be within this range and it will help you. Now, if you want us to write a business plan for you, please contact us for business plan, online training, ebook, and many more. We give you the best. So contact us. Please click the link below to get our ebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. God bless you.